Step 1, set up your bank accounts. How did you get your current bank account? Maybe it was your parents' bank. That's what happened to me. Maybe it was bundled with your home loan. Maybe you're a Dolomite. However you got it, there's a good chance your bank account isn't something you've actively planned. What's the point? They're all pretty much the same anyway, right? Wrong. If you're banking with one of the big 4 banks, there's every chance you're getting screwed. The average Australian pays $489 in bank fees every year. That's a lot of wasted money, especially when there are heaps of free options available. How much are you paying your banking fees per year? If the answer is more than 0, then you can do better. Your current bank is like a deadbeat boyfriend. Sure, he seemed cool when you first met, but as the years have gone by, you've started to realize that he's not all that you thought he was. He's mooching off your hard work, he's never gonna change. Why would he when he's got it so good? Even worse, he's always looking for something on the side. He'll shower attention on any new girl he meets while treating his loyal girlfriend like a walking wallet. It's time to dump him. That is your bank, not your boyfriend. Although, if this description fits your significant other, you should probably think about dumping them too. We know that being loyal to banks doesn't pay, so we're gonna get back out there and find a new bank who'll treat you right. And the good news is, it's like being the hottest girl or guy at the bar. They want your business, and they'll often bend over backwards to make it easy for you to switch. For your new bank, we're gonna have a simple rule to help you choose. 0 fees, none, never, ever. Even including ATM fees. And there's one bank in particular who has everything we're looking for. Your new best friend is the ING Orange Everyday Debit Card. ING is an online bank with no fees, and they'll even refund your ATM fees as long as you put in $1,000 per month and make at least 5 transactions. Now, you're gonna set up 2 accounts. Call one daily expenses and the other one splurge. If you're doing this with a partner, get 2 separate cards for the same bank account. Next, you're going to get a separate online savings account that's linked to your everyday transaction account. So you'll want to get 2 ING Savings Maximisers and link them to your daily expense account. Set up the 2 of them and give them the nickname Smile and Fire Extinguisher. Finally, you're going to set up your rainy day fund. Get one bank account that is completely separate from your day-to-day banking. I'm talking about a completely different financial institution. You want to make it hard to get your money. That way you won't be tempted to dip into this money unless you really have to. We'll cover your rainy day fund a little bit later in this course, but basically having this account will mean you don't need to stress about money like everyone else. It's going to provide a nice safety buffer that will help you survive any financial emergencies that come up. For this account, you can choose any online bank that has no fees, but we recommend a Ubank USaver. The last step is going to be the point where you stop worrying about short-term money issues. Put $2,000 into your rainy day account. If you don't have $2,000 to spare, then look at what you can sell around your house. Or do some extra freelancing or take on some extra shifts. This money is a financial buffer, and once you have your $2,000, you can rest easy knowing you're covered in a case of any events or minor emergencies. So let's do a quick recap on what we've covered this week. 1, you've had a hard look at your relationship with your bank and probably decided to dump them. Now it's implementation time. On your first date night, set up these 5 accounts: your daily expense, splurge, smile, fire extinguisher, and rainy day account. Put at least $2,000 in your rainy day account. For next week, we'll introduce you to a money management system that will make it easy to stay on top of your finances. With this system, you're going to be able to manage your money in just 10 minutes a week. Sounds like a dream. I can't wait to see you next week. Until next time, catch up.